We're playing a match. I've just been booted offline. The match was scheduled for half past. We're still in it on first map Old Town. I'm hoping it'll show the leaderboards when I press start. I doubt it, but I've just been booted offline. I think the score was something like 2-2 and I've been booted offline. Oh my god, no way. Can't connect. As you can clearly see, I can't connect to Xbox Live. I'm just going to show you the time. Look at the time. We're in first map and I can't fucking connect.